Okay, now that I have all my flowers assembled, I'm ready to attach it to the wreath. I got this wreath at Michael's. It is a floral and craft ring, and it's 18 inches, which is what the instructions said to get. So it's just a flat, like, particle board wreath. Okay, so looking at the picture, it will guide me as to where to place the flowers. So I can see I have two, oh, that's right. These are the sage roses. So one will go here and one will go down here. I guess you can't really see. One second. Start with gluing these mums down first, I think. Okay, here is my finished wreath. I just tucked the greenery in here and there. So I'm pretty pleased with it. And it did say it would take 1 to 2 hours, and it took a lot longer than that. So if you plan on doing this project, it would take a couple of days. Like cutting out the flowers with the Cricut took about an hour just for doing that. And scoring and folding all of these took probably 2 to 3 hours while I watched TV. And then just trying to figure it out. But now I've showed you how. So now fall is almost over. It's almost Christmas time, and everybody's probably wanting to make Christmas things. So this is it says it's a fall wreath. But if you did these colors in Christmassy colors and did maybe some silver, like maybe cut the leaves out of silver glitter paper or something. Maybe did some greens and reds. Maybe did red instead of orange, and then had the greens with the white. I think that would look really pretty too if you wanted to make it more of a Christmassy type thing. Or in the spring you could do it in some other kind of beautiful colors. And I think it would be a good project for any time. But it is a big project. Just so you know, you could make it with fewer flowers on a smaller wreath, and then it would not take as long. But I think it turned out really pretty, and I'm happy with it. And so I hope you learned something from it, and now I know how to do several different kinds of flowers on my Cricut, and I'm happy about that. So I learned a lot, and I hope you did too. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.